I know you must be tired of me with these ham recipes, but let's make one more before the holidays are done. Today we're making passion fruit glazed ham. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here I have a 5-pound picnic ham. I already went ahead, give it a quick rinse and pat dry. I also went ahead and removed that thick leather skin from behind here, and now we will go ahead and proceed with the next step. So here I have a paring knife and I will just create some incisions or score the ham, and we will score it into like a diamond shape. You go in one way and then you go the opposite way, and we will do this on the entire ham until all the outer parts are scored. Next we'll add a little mustard, make sure the ham is well coated, and then we will add some ground cloves. If you want to use whole cloves, feel free to do so. It really doesn't matter. Next we will add a little passion fruit juice at the bottom of the pan just to prevent the ham from drying out. Then we'll cover it and place it in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes or so. While that is going, let's go ahead and make the glaze. So to a saucepan I added butter. Here I will add some passion fruit jam. I will also add some passion fruit juice, and I will add some brown sugar. I will add some spices, cinnamon, clove, nutmeg. Give that a real good stir and allow it to simmer until it thickens up. It will reduce a bit and thicken. Once it thickens, that's it. You remove it from the heat and we will proceed with the next step. Bear in mind, once this cools down, it will thicken some more. So don't allow it to reduce too much to where you have no glaze left. After about 45 minutes, you want to go ahead and glaze the ham for the first time with that yummy glaze that we made. Glaze it well and place it back into the oven for about 10 minutes. This time you want to leave it uncovered so it can caramelize nicely. After 10 minutes, you want to baste it again with the glaze and place it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. And here you have it, passion fruit glazed ham. This smells and looks absolutely divine. I can't wait to give it a taste. And this is me going in for the first bite, and it was nothing short of amazing. I don't care what nobody say, the ham is one of the most reliable things on your holiday table. You can count on your ham to be good. It's like you can't mess ham up. It is so easy to do. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.